Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Plo with Options Snipers, and today we're going over another trade. This is another trade recap. This was actually a live trade, so if you guys are interested in joining and trading with us, you guys can use the link in the description to trade. You'll get access to our alerts, as well as live trading almost every single morning, so you guys can get perfect entries and perfect exits. We're always working hard for you guys to get the best trades, what we're looking at, and we'll totally take your ideas, let you know what we think about them. So I think it's just an amazing deal to get in there while you can. So this trade was actually, we're going to need to go to the 1 minute because this was a scalp. This happened super quickly. A scalp is a trade happening where you enter and exit in the same 45 minutes, and that is the case. This was actually even less than that. So we actually entered here. We entered puts at 242, and we sold here at 328. We almost sold the bottom. I won't say we sold the bottom, that is not true, but we got very, very, very close. So we almost bought the top, and we almost sold the bottom. How did we do this? So just historically, we know that when SPY gaps up a ton in the morning, whether it be with news or just anything really, it could be a reversal, it could be filling a gap. Either way, it is a gap that it happened. So we're going to take advantage. We're going to fill puts as soon as we see red. So yes, this candle went green. I was worried that we were just going to climb all day, which we ended up doing. But we saw some red pretty quickly, and since we're on the 1 minute, we weren't faked out. We knew exactly what was going to go. Excuse me. We could have been faked out since it was the 1 minute, but we knew exactly what was happening at the right time. So we entered in puts. We trimmed right here on this candle, and we closed out here, like I said, at 328. That was a 36% win in basically 5 minutes. I mean, these candles were huge on the 1 minute time frame. So this was a great opportunity. Anyone who got in could have made, like I said, 36% or more if you sold the bottom, of course, but that's not super realistic, very, very quickly. And I would have honestly gone trading to the upside, but when you make so much money so quickly, I mean, this was 9:41 a.m. So when you make so much money so quickly, I'd suggest just taking a break. I mean, that was 11 minutes of the market being open, and we were up just a ton on contracts. So it was great to sit back, relax, let the market do its thing instead of just chasing and chasing and chasing the moves. Now, you could have gotten faked out by a double top here. You could have gone in for puts, and when we dropped, you might have averaged in, you might have added to your position. However, that would have been a huge fake out. Then we did hit resistance. This was previous 5-day resistance, I believe. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's 5-day resistance. So you might have then averaged in even more, and you would have gotten absolutely destroyed there, because although you could have scalped, SPY kept going up and up and up. And what we ended up doing here, this was after live trading, this was during lunch, was I bought 1,200 of SPXS and then sold around here. That was a nice gain too, since SPXS doesn't deal with theta, doesn't deal with low volatility that could kill your contracts, because that is just buying shares, and that is against SPY 3 times. So that's our own, it's kind of like trading options. It's our own little play where we don't have to deal with the downsides of trading options. So even though we didn't make as much money, as we could have, it was almost risk-free, or as risk-free as we would have liked. Then SPY did continue up, and we saw AMD up 15%, which is crazy. So definitely some downside potential here. We've got, so SPXS could be a great position. I then just now, maybe 20 minutes ago, bought more SPXS, about another 1,000. So I re-entered this position because I personally think that SPY is going to gap down on the 5-day. We'll have to see tomorrow. I might take a loss, but it went so well today that I was completely fine risking that position. So we're gonna see. I'll update you guys in another video, and we'll just have to see what happens. We did see this nice resistance at the end of the day where SPY finally stopped. We saw this candle close red, which is the last 5-minute candle. Let's see. Yeah, so we saw some red there, which means if SPY kept going on, if the market kept being open, we could have seen a big reversal at this, the 395 level. We may have seen it come down to 390, or even further, which is actually good that we saw us stop at this resistance, because that gives us a better chance of actually gapping down tomorrow. So I'm very excited for the market day tomorrow. It is Veterans Day, and it's just going to be amazing. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility. We're going to see all these meme stocks up a ton, so there's potential there. When I say meme stocks, I meant kind of like Upstart, where we're up 30% in one day. That is not sustainable. So I think we're going to gap down on a lot of these tickers. We'll have to see, like I said. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I do recommend you check out our Discord in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.